Once upon a jolly day, Excavaroo, the super-duper excavator, decided to build the biggest, tallest sandcastle ever on the sunny beach. With a beep-beep and a rumble-rumble, he zoomed across the sand, ready to dig, dump, and scoop. But oh my gosh, the beach was like a bumpy roller coaster, with dips and dives at every turn. "Whee!" squealed Excavaroo as he bounced up and down. Along the way, he met Dumpy, the dump truck, and Shelley, the shovel, who were eager to help. "Hello, Excavaroo," chirped Dumpy, his wheels spinning with excitement. "I can carry lots of sand for you." "And I'm Shelley. I'll scoop and scoop until our castle is super-duper big," giggled Shelley, wiggling her handle. With their team all set, they began their adventure. But wait, what's that? A, B, C? It's the alphabet ants. They were marching along, singing their ABCs. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for carrot, they sang in tiny voices. Excavaroo laughed and joined in, singing along with the ants as they danced around in the sand. D is for dig, E is for excavator, F is for fun, he added, making the alphabet ants giggle with glee. As they continued their journey, Excavaroo counted the seagulls flying overhead. 1, 2, 3, he counted, pointing his bucket at each bird. 4, 5, 6, he continued, his voice rising with excitement. But oh no! Suddenly, they spotted a mischievous crab scuttling across the sand, snatching their building supplies. "Hey, that's ours!" cried Excavaroo, his bucket bobbing up and down in frustration. "Don't worry, Excavaroo, we'll use our ABCs to get them back," exclaimed Shelley, her blade shining with determination. And with a little creativity and a lot of laughter, they chased the crab away, singing the alphabet song as they went. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come back here, Mr. Krabby. With the crab gone and their supplies safe, Excavaroo, Dumpy, and Shelley got back to work. They dug, dumped, and scooped with all their might, building the most amazing sandcastle the beach had ever seen. And when they were finished, they stood back and admired their masterpiece, feeling proud and happy. "Hooray for teamwork! Hooray for sandcastles! Hooray for friends!" cheered Excavaroo, his bucket raised high in the air. And as the sun set on their sandy adventure, they knew that they had not only built a castle, but they had also learned their ABCs and counted from 1 to 10 along the way. It was a day filled with laughter, learning, and lots of sandy fun.